Hello and welcome back to the Kentucky Career Center's Assistive Technology Learning Portal. This video is part of our continuing series on the built-in accessibility features of the Microsoft Ease of Access Center. In this installment, we'll take a look at the hearing features found under Ease of Access, the audio and closed captions tools. These tools allow you to customize the audio experience and are especially helpful to people with hearing disabilities. To begin, click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click the gear icon to enter the settings menu. Choose Ease of Access. In the left column, under the Hearing section, you'll find the Audio tab. The first control on this page is a slider that lets you adjust the speaker volume of your computer. This is the main volume and applies to videos you may be watching, music, advertisements, and the beeps and system noises of Windows. There is also a toggle to turn on mono audio. This combines the left and right speaker audio into a single feed and is good if, for example, you're listening to your computer using a single earbud or headphone. It will make sure that you hear all of the audio and don't miss something that would normally only be played on the other side. Show Audio Alerts Visually is a drop-down box that allows you to set a visual notice anytime the program you are using makes a sound to get your attention. You can select for the title bar of the active window to flash, for the window itself to flash, or for your entire screen to flash, depending on what gets your attention most easily. That's it for the Audio tab. Now let's take a look at the closed caption settings. On the menu on the left side, under the Hearing section, click on Closed Captions. When you are watching a movie or TV show in Windows that offers closed captioning, you can use these settings to adjust how those captions appear on the screen to make them easier to read. Let's take a look using a video clip. Once the clip starts playing, I can click the Subtitles button in the bottom left corner, which will allow me to choose which subtitles file I want to use. Now, when I play the video, the captions will appear. Back on the settings screen, we can change the appearance of those captions. The preview box at the top shows how our changes will appear. All of these settings are controlled by drop boxes. The first section allows us to set the caption font. The first drop box lets us choose the color of the text of our captions. The second box lets us control how see-through we want that text to be. The Caption Style drop-down lets you select from a variety of fonts for your captions. Pick the one that's easiest for you to read quickly. In the Caption Size drop-down, you can make the text size larger or smaller by selecting a percentage. Caption Effects lets you add shadows and textures to your text, again with the idea of making it as easy as possible to read the text. Under the Change Caption Background section, we can add a colored background behind the letters to make them stand out. We can select a color for the background from the first drop-down, and the second one allows us to choose how transparent we want the background color to be. The Dim Window Content section lets you block out the rest of the screen so that you can focus on the text more easily while watching the video. Again, in the first drop-down box, you can select a color. In the second box, you can select transparency for the screen blocking box. Now that we've changed our settings, let's go back and look at the video again. As you can see, the captions look very different from the originals, and you may find them easier to read. That wraps up this video on the audio and closed captions tools in the Windows Ease of Access Center. These tools can help make your computer easier to use, especially if you have a hearing-related disability. Be sure to check out our Learning Portal website for more videos on the tools in the built-in Microsoft Ease of Access Center. Thanks for watching.